Encoder and decoder. Here I am going to discuss some basics of encoder and decoder. First, let us discuss about encoder. An encoder is a combinatorial circuit. It has 2 power n number of inputs and n number of outputs. That is, we can call this encoder as 2 power n by n encoder or 2 power n to n encoder. That is 2 power n to n encoder. We can call this encoder as a compressor since it compresses the multiple binary inputs into a smaller number of outputs. So we can call this encoder as a compressor. And at any time only one of these 2 power n inputs can be high in order to get the respective binary code at the output. Okay, for example, I want to enable this Y2. So this Y2 is high and remaining all the inputs are low. And whatever the data present at Y2, that only transmitted. And Y2 has the access line to transmit the data. And to access this Y2, the corresponding output of this encoder is 0, 0, 0 and so on, 0, 1, 0. So this is, here I am representing outputs as A0, A1, A2, An minus 1. So this is An minus 1 bit and this is An minus 2 bit and so on. This is A2 and this is A1 and this is A0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 means 0, 1, 0 means 2. Okay. So this represents 2 is Y2 port is high and remaining all the ports are low. So this will enable the data line Y2 and whatever the data present at Y2 that will be transmitted. Okay. Here the outputs are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and so on 0. And we have different types of encoders. The lowest order encoder is 2 to 1 or 2 by 1 encoder, 4 to 2, 8 to 3, 16 by 4. These are some types of encoders. And coming to decoder, this decoder is a exact replica of encoder. That is, it has n number of input lines and 2 power n number of output lines. Whatever the data, what is the data that will be appeared at the output of encoder is fed to input of decoder. So output of encoder is equal to input of decoder. So we have n number of input lines and 2 power n number of output lines for the decoder. And we have different types of decoders: 1 to 2 decoder, 2 to 4 decoder, 3 to 8 decoder, 4 to 16 decoder and so on. For example, the input for this decoder is same. The output of encoder 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this represents the output line Y2 is enabled and remaining ones are disabled. So only the Y2 line has the access point to receive the data. Okay, here we are transmitting the data at Y2 and the same output is generated and this one is fed to input port of this decoder, and this based on this input, based on this binary input, the output line is enabled and which receives the data. This is about the encoder and decoder.